boy, nice to see you. What are you doing today? Today's Thursday.
He'll get down. Watch this.
I want to get over there.
Yep.
I like it over there. It's more dangerous. Mm-hmm. I'm pulling my head.
Peter, this is really good.
Yeah. Well, what are you going to do today? Huh? What's up on your agenda? Oh, that? Really? You're kidding. That's going to be what you're going to do? Oh, all right. You didn't tell me that when you emailed me this morning on your Fisher-Price toy. All you said was Rojo.